Hey developers, I have got some exciting news for you. I am starting a brand new Unity UI tutorial playlist right here on our channel Learn with GM. Whether you are a beginner or you have been building games for a while, mastering the Unity UI system is a skill that can instantly make your games look polished, professional, and player friendly. You see, the user interface is the first thing your players see and the last thing they remember. But a lot of developers, especially beginners, either skip it or struggle to get it right. That's why I am creating the series to take you step by step from basic UI elements like button, sliders, and images all the way to advanced systems like dynamic menus, pop-ups, and responsive UI for different screen sizes and responsive sizes. In this playlist, you will learn how the Unity UI system works from the ground up, how to use Canvas, Rec Transform, and Event System properly, how to create professional looking menus, scoreboard, health bar, and pop-ups, and how to make your UI smooth, responsive, and ready to port for mobile, PC, and console. The first episode drops very soon, whether I will cover the foundation of the Unity UI system and how it fits into your game. So if you are serious about leveling up your Unity skill, hit subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss it. Unity UI might sound simple, but it's one of the most powerful tools you will ever master in game development. I can't wait to take you this journey, so stay tuned and I will see you in episode 1.